Good day, everyone. My name is Cynthia Ibuenga from SAC 15 Bicol, major in English. Today, I will present an authentic task for grade 8 English aligned with Matatag competency. Compose formal and informal letters using appropriate structure, tune, and convention for a specific audience and purpose. Alignment. This task directly measures student ability to write purposeful letters rather than simply identify part of the letter. It aligns with a performance standard requiring learners to produce clear and audience-appropriate text. Graphs structure. Goal. The student will write structure and purposeful formal and informal letters. The role of the student is they act as grade 8 student responding to school issue, and the audience are the school principal. Formal letters. A close friend or family friend. Informal letters. The situation is the school plan to implement a digital Free Friday policy. A student must express the position formally to the principal and share personal thoughts informally with a friend. And the product, 2 letters, each must have 150 to 200 words, observing proper format, tune, and organization. The standard assessment is based on analytical rubric totaling 100%. The rubric criteria, format and structure, 20%. Correct letter parts and formatting. Content development, 25%. Clear position with supporting details. Tune and language appropriateness, 20%. Clear distinction between formal and informal register. Organization and coherence, 15%. Logical flow of ideas. And grammar and mechanics, 20%. Accuracy and convention. Each criterion has 4 performance levels with detailed descriptors to ensure reliability and fairness, authenticity and validity. This task is authentic because it reflects real-life communication. It is valid because it directly measures writing performance. It is reliable and fair due to clear weight and objective rubric criteria. In conclusion, these graphs-based assessment promote meaningful learning and ensure strong alignment between competency, task, and rubric. Thank you.